Hi students, I wanted to show you how to play this maze chase game. It's kind of fun. Was or were. Click start. And here I am. I have to choose. You were at the cinema. Okay, so now I have to get my little red guy. Oh no, I have to bring him down and around and down and in and up till I get. Yay, I got it right. Okay, and now let's read the next sentence down here. In London last week. She was. So I have to go up here to get up there. Uh-oh. I've got it. I can't get eaten by. Oh no. I think I'm gonna get eaten. I don't wanna. Oh no. I'm gonna get eaten. Oh, okay. I gotta try it again. I'm gonna go up and around and up and around and up and around. Up. Oh no. I gotta go down. I gotta. Oh no. Oh, I'm not very good at this. So she was in London. Okay. Okay. Maybe I can go up, go up. Gotta go up, go up. Okay. And then I just do it like that. That's how you do the game.